Hi everybody, welcome back to RachandBella Crafts. If there was a GIF to express how I'm feeling right now, it would be one of these. But I'm going to choose the high road and take this face instead. I'm going to be a Wendy tonight and keep it all in. You'll be relieved. Welcome to my channel. Good evening everyone. I hope you like my comical opening. It was either that or I just start moaning. I'm going to shelve the moaning tonight and we're going to go straight into our giveaway. Now, if you were watching yesterday's video, you will recall I asked you to leave a comment on what the projects were that I was making. These are they, said projects. Those of you that guessed vintage and shabby chic, yay, well done you guys. Because you're now going to be entered into the draw. So I'm just going to quickly show you so you can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to take the link from this video. I'm doing this super tech now. And I'm kind of crouching underneath the phone in case you wonder what I'm doing. But I do like you to see that it's all done, you know, above board. Right, okay. Duplicate filter users. Don't need to worry about anything else. Nope, that's fine. We're not excluding anyone. Oh, I need to do a sum. Does that say +9? Right, okay. Oh, let's hope we got that right. Let's get the comments. And then let's see who's won the kit. Are they there? Have we got the comment? Oh, yeah, we have. Right, okay. There we go. So we're going to do the raffle. And let's see who's won. And hopefully you've got it right. Okay. Janice Reese. Yay! Oh, sorry. You're over there. I'm over here. Oh, dearie me. It's going to be one of those days. I could see it. It's been one of those days. What am I saying? Here we go. Shabby chic and vintage. Oh, thank you so much. She even gave me 3 little hearts. That's so lush. Janice, can you please send me a message via my Etsy shop? And can you tell me which of the collaboration kits you would like me to send you? And I will do that later on today. Okay, right. I'm just going to readjust the camera and we will crack on. Okay, welcome back to Rachel's special brand of crazy. If you needed any indication about the state my head is in today, just check out this picture of my desk. This is what I walked into earlier on. Yes, clearly it's had a little tidy now because you can see desk again. But, oh my word, what a day. Anyway, so on with today's video. It's going to be a short one, guys, because yesterday was very, very long. It took me 3.5 hours to cut it, crop it, upload it, re-edit it, upload it again to YouTube. What a nightmare. And then it didn't get watched very much anyway, so it was just a bit of a, what was the point? But there we go. So I got a couple of things to kind of go through with you this evening, very, very quickly. First and foremostly, I have a few packs of these stamps. Oh golly, some of them will probably be a bit useful perhaps last month. If you are in the UK, and I am sorry to exclude, but I'm only going to do that for this purpose. If you are in the UK and you would like one of these, I have 4. Please comment below. The first 4 that comment and say yes please for stamps, I will send you one of those and I will get in touch with you and get your address, etc, etc. Okay, I wanted to do a little shout out to this person on Facebook. She has a shop. Her name is Handmade by Charlotte, spelt with an S and an H. And I came across one of her videos. Well, it wasn't a video, sorry, it was a post that she put on Facebook a couple of weeks back. And it was a beautiful photograph that she had taken in her garden of some blossom. Now, us being us, we love an image of a bit of blossom, don't we, girls? And it instantly caught my eye. And I went and read the caption and she said she hadn't put up any you know, she didn't have any stock pictures going up because basically her shop was quiet, and instead she decided to share with us all some photographs of a beautiful blossom tree in her garden. And I thought, oh, so that then made me go look at her page, and I was like, well, who are you? Why do I follow you? I've obviously liked her page in the past. What do you make? Oh my gosh. Well, I clicked on her page, instantly fell in love, and messaged her. She is absolutely delightful. She messaged me straight back. She has gone and custom made for me. She makes the most beautiful little wooden, I'm going to show you in a minute what she makes. But you can pick them in any colour. So I was in the middle of redoing our logo that weekend. So I sent her the colours and she messaged me back. She said, well, I've got these. Do you want me to do them in this? And I was like, oh, yes, please. Well, they came this week. So I wanted to share them with you because if you do like this kind of thing, guys, you know, we are a craft channel, but I'm a big believer in supporting small businesses. I will put the links to her Facebook page down below. Let me move out of the way a minute. But look at these. These are so cute. There we go. So handmade by Charlotte. Love her. How stinking cute are these? Now, these are from my craft room. And I bought them specifically because I have a love of beach huts. Oh my gosh. The colours are perfect. But aren't they gorgeous? She's constantly got little sales running on her page. And I know she had one on the weekend when I messaged her about the little love hearts. But they're little wooden, well, they're little, I don't know what you call them, decorations, we'll call them. But they're going to go on the wall in my craft room when I finish hanging everything up. But I just wanted you to share these with me because they're just so lovely and cute. So thank you for that, Charlotte. They have arrived. They are beautiful. Guys, please go check out her page. If you're not in the UK, it doesn't matter. You don't have to order something. Just go and check out her page and like something and follow her page and share her page. And all of those things will help this lovely lady's business out, because it's the not doing anything is what kills everything off. So, but I'm not going to, I'll label on that later. So there we go. Handmade by Charlotte, guys. Don't forget to check her out. In fact, I'm going to leave her card there in case I've said it too quickly. Now, I want to show you some of my cutie little bargains. I didn't buy these this week. I know I've had a kind of, we're not going to go spending on this challenge thing. In my defense, I did buy these 2 weeks ago, and I bought them very, very cheaply. They've actually come from a shop in the UK called Home Bargains. But I keep on looking for these little flowers. Home Bargains is like Poundland, kind of. So they're not the best quality, but I have a glue gun, so if anything's come off, I can pop it back on. I'm not worried about that. But I just thought they were so cute. Look at these. And these are like stuck together. So let me just get that out of there. I think they're all on. There we go. So they're like a little bouquet all together, look. And then you take that off there. Oh, they were until I just like took the whole thing off. But no, they're all tied together with a little bit of rope or string, I think. Here they are. Right, let me have that, thank you. And you can just pop that then, look, onto whatever it is you're making. So if I was making a journaling card or wanted them on my cover, I simply just lay them like that. How cute are they? They were £1. £1! That's like the equivalent, I think, of, oh, I'm going to get this the wrong way around now, aren't I? 70 cents, 65 cents, I think that's the exchange rate at the moment, something like that anyway. Bargain. Home Bargains. And these were as well. In fact, they got quite a few things there. I picked these up only because other half was with me. It was like, oh, look, what about these? And I was like, oh, the rest, that's all sewing stuff. But yes, super cute. These are £1 as well. So if you are looking in Home Bargains, there is a new brand in there. It is called Sarah Ashford, and it's all sewing, stitching and crafting stuff. But I just thought they would be really handy. And of course, very shabby chic. Okay, that's that. I told you about the stamps. I also managed to blag myself, because I've been looking for one of these for ages, because I want to make myself a board to put all my like ideas and stuff in. An idea board, I guess you'd call it. I got this stunning tablecloth I bought in Cornwall last summer, and I got an old pin board, and all I needed was a staple gun. I got this in Aldi. Yeah, I can't remember how much it was now. It was not a lot. Is there a price on there? No. You see, I've obviously tried to get it out. Oh, it is open. Here we are. I can show you. I need to show you the box. It comes with staples too. It was about £4, I think. I wouldn't have paid more than that for it. But how cute is this? Look, and it's pastel. I love it. I absolutely love it. I won't click down it because I think I've loaded it. Yes, I have loaded it. But obviously, when it's not, you can kind of depress that and put that over there to keep it safe. It does come with staples. Yes, I have loaded it because they're half empty, but bargain apps, and they're still in Aldi, so I saw them there today when I nipped in this morning because I was up and out and about early today. I also managed to get a few things recently when I went into a charity shop. These I bought in the local museum when I went to the museum recently. Liked these. They are all book covers, incidentally, but I just thought they were really interesting. So just a kind of reminder, as we are working with themes, there are places you can go and get things that are free. Very often you go into tourist information places and you will find things like this for free. They make great ephemera when you're doing your vintage, and potentially I'm thinking maybe a little bit of steampunk there. Maybe not the others, but I think I might get away with the plain. So food for thought. And I also found this recently in a charity shop, and I love it because the paper is handmade. How cute is that? I just think that's lush. So I want to try and find a way of incorporating this. This has been in my drawer for a little while, but I want to try and find a way of incorporating this into some of these projects now that we're going to be doing in the next couple of weeks over the collaboration. whilst rummaging in my drawer earlier, I also came across these. Now, I've obviously picked them up in a charity shop, thinking, oh, they would be good for ATCs. I've got some. Oh, look. When I have a cold, I often lose my voice. You know I lose my voice. And this is what they call me. She's on Monsters Inc. She sits on the desk, doesn't she? Roz. And they reckon that's what I sound like when I lose my voice. I fancy that being in there. Naughty Tinker stuck that in there. Anyway, I've had these and I found these in the drawer along with some other stuff that I picked up a little while ago. And I was going to start using them. And then I thought, do you know what? I reckon I might just start randomly going placing these on their pillows in the morning. What do you reckon? Because they seem to think that they're all so clever and bright and intelligent and that I have this Dunning-Kruger effect. All the things I come out with. Shall I challenge them to do some Mensa challenges? And then if they get them right, then I'll put them in a journal. I think that's a brilliant idea. I think that would be a waste to cover those over at the moment. It's too much testosterone war going on. Right, now, the other thing that I wanted to show you was these. Now, I've been out pilfering. I haven't been pilfering. Well, I probably have. I don't think you're actually meant to pick up this many leaflets. But I had a message from a lovely lady, hi Linda, who's one of my followers. She's in our Facebook group, and she messaged me the other day to say that she was creating a beautiful project for a member of her family. She's in America, who is Welsh, or has Welsh, heritage, and she wondered if it would be possible. Well, she wanted to buy some Welsh stuff. Did I have anything in the shop? Well, I don't have anything like that in our shop at the moment, but I did say to her, I'm actually off out to do a run of some museums and stuff, and oh, that was the prison we went to, and we often have, well, they always have these leaflets, and because we are a bilingual country and millions and millions and millions of pounds has been invested in us being a bilingual country, all of our this stuff, whatever this is called, is bilingual. So anything that you pick up here in Wales, you'll have in English. But if you turn it over, you get it in Welsh as well, which is brilliant when you want Welsh ephemera for your journaling. So I've picked up a load of stuff for Linda. I can't possibly post all of these to her because I went to put them on my scales earlier on and they were just like, oh my goodness. So I'm going to obviously weed out a few of each and get those off to her in the post. But what I was about to say was, if anybody would like some of my Welsh tourist ephemera, please just let me know. Send me a message though on Facebook, perhaps. Keep it separate from the kind of kit stuff, and I will. Oh no, actually, put it on in the Facebook group. Put a post in the Facebook group. I'll start a thing there. If anybody wants a rack of some of this, because I literally have got stacks of it around the house now. I mean, there's some really lovely imagery on here, but it's just nice because you've got, there's stuff in English, stuff in Welsh. All of that, look, is bilingual on there. There's the Welsh, there's the English. But it's lovely. That's Tredegar House. That's lovely. Beautiful old house down the road from where we are. Not far at all. But yeah, so I've got... Oh, and this is up the road from us. This is up by where Mum and Dad live. Blamavon, the old ironworks. So if you do want any of this, please do just let me know. I'll put a post into the Facebook group and just comment and just say, yes please Rach, could I have a rack? And I will put a couple together. I'm going to limit it to 10, the first 10 for the time being. Otherwise I'm going to have this kind of like deluge, I think, and I'll get a bit overwhelmed and then nothing gets done. Because I'm a procrastinator. Okay, why the post of frustration at the beginning of the video? I'm going to keep this really short. After the video I did 2 weeks ago about the unpleasantness that was being aimed towards some of my design team girls, it appears it's now following me. I'm not quite sure why. I don't really care, because I haven't done anything to upset anybody, and I know I haven't done anything to upset anybody, but I am a little bit frustrated because it is affecting my channel. You click the thumbs down on a video and everybody says, oh, it doesn't mean anything. It does mean something. It means that YouTube thinks people don't like my content and then it won't share it around to other people. So I need people to interact, to watch a full length of a video. If you watch the full length of the video, YouTube then thinks, oh, that must be a good video. We'll share it with other people. And that's how things grow. But if people just click on and click off and then a click and dislike, that's really like plummeting your video down. Hence why I'm making a fuss. I have emailed YouTube today to ask them, because today now, yesterday's video has now got 8 dislikes. I was like, oh my goodness, videos. And the one I put on early hours of the morning has already got 5 today. I don't know where these people have come from, but this is clearly something that is going on in the background. I will resolve it, and I will do it in the nicest possible way, because I don't believe in causing thingy. But I am also not here to be steamrolled over and to have my business ruined that I've worked very, very hard to build up and feed my kids with. So that's the important thing. I'm not going to come over all Mama Bear just yet, but it's brewing. It really is brewing. Gail's had it. Roxy's had it. Sorry, Rachel from Roxy's had it. Tina's had it. Julie from CANT CRAFT has had it. Angela Kerr has been through it. I know it's part of the course, but I also know, I'm well aware of what is going on behind this particular occasion. I have very good friends in this network, and I know a lot of them are you, and I'm very grateful that you're here and you're watching and you've got me back, and that's amazing. But I have to resolve this issue because it is affecting my business now, and it is affecting my income, and I have my bills to pay at the end of the month, and I can't say to the tax man, sorry mate, I'm not paying you this month, because somebody kept putting thumbs downs on my video, so I didn't earn as much. Because I don't think that's going to cut it. It's really not. But in other amazing news today, Bella, my mum, has become monetized today, and because of all you amazing, wonderful, lush, gorgeous people, she's also reached 2,000 subscribers tonight. So you have completely made her day. So thank you so much, and thank you for taking on board all the stuff that I said to you yesterday, because you see the difference it makes. You interacted with her video, new people came and watched, she then gains new subscribers. So that's the way we want to do it. It needs to be, you know, we don't just go and say to people, oh, we're just going to subscribe. No, we need people that are going to enjoy the content. Otherwise, it's pointless. YouTube, if you subscribe to someone's channel and never watch a video, YouTube will kick you off eventually, and then people's numbers start to drop. And so they switched on to everything. They literally react to every interaction. So we're going to keep things positive. I will resolve this issue. In the meantime, all I ask of you guys is just that you just keep on supporting our channel and helping us out. I'm not going to do a craft today, mainly because I've not got a single creative element in my head at the minute. And I've just gone and made homemade chips, so that was enough. And I'm going to go and eat mine while they're still warm. But no, not today. I just haven't got it there. So please forgive me. There's just some days it's just not there. But we won't let the bullies beat us, eh? So back to the collaboration, because this is what it's all about this week and next week and the week after. Angela Kerr's video is up. I'm halfway through watching it. I got interrupted. I had to go cook tea, feed people. Ooh, why? What's the matter with people who need to eat? I don't know. It's amazing. She's using loads of different kits. She's got the Beatrix Potter kit out. Bless her heart. She messaged me. She was like, Rach, please, can I play with it? I was like, yeah, go for it. I can't wait to see her finished product. I really can't. And she has put so much thought and time and work into it. She is lush. I absolutely adore Angela. She's just, I want to put her in my pocket and put her on my desk. She's just lush. I love her. She's coming to our retreat in June, and I cannot wait to meet her and give her a big hug. So please, guys, if you haven't yet seen her video, go check out her video. And then tomorrow, so excited, we've got Wendy from Wendy's Journal and Adventure, and it's her first time taking part in one of our collaborations. So guys, please go check out these lovely ladies. Please support them, and don't forget to leave them likes, okay? Just interact a little bit, do something. And we're not asking you to buy stuff, just say hi. I will be back tomorrow with another make. Winner of today's competition thing, giveaway, make sure you contact me. I will get your kit to you. If I've forgotten anything, I'm sure someone will remind me. But other than that, peace, I'm out, guys. Be back tomorrow.